Here's Toby getting ready to get in the death trap. That's right. Thumbs up, Bubba. Here's our Demolition Derby car. Getting ready to get smashed. We're going to take that car. We're going to ram it into that refrigerator. Oh yeah, going to be fun.
Yeah, ask him.
All right, Toby.
I gotta call you back.
Crank that thing up. Hang on. Hold on. Let me get back here. I'm going over here, Bubba.
Practice run. Oh, come on.
Oh, it shut off. There you go. Practice run. Gonna get lined up on it. Like that matters. Do it again.
That was faggot shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa! You got to set it back up now. You left it. I told him he would. You always lift the first time you hit something. Not me, I run right through that.
He's gonna push it for you. Yeah, get it. There you go. Run. Right for you.
I thought he was going to hit it.
Tell him this time you better hit it. You better hit it this time, you pansy.
Hit it forward. Last chance.
Well, we don't want to ruin the front end because we're going to use this car in the Demolition Derby in 2 months.
Right into that fucking skin.
Yeah, right into the boat.
Let's do that.
Yeah!
Now that's how it's done. Run into that Explorer over there. It looks like it's ruined.
There's a lot of stuff out there that's ruined. Hey, we lost the door. Oh!
Watch out, Johnny. Watch out, Johnny. Just handed that out.
All right, son, get that. Wow, there's nothing left of that one. Look at that.
Good job, Crush. That's what it's
There you go. Hands in the air.
It's not fun.
What happened?
We do what we want.
Oh, there you go.
What is that?
Got a car.
Calm down over there, man.
Oh, hush. You're just mad we didn't call you.
Yeah, exactly.
Damn, that thing stinks.
It's trying to do what? Spit out ice.
It was sitting there going,
Oh, wow.
Hey,
Crunch.
Bending the truck back out. I had that damn thing straight.
dang, I thought I was going to drive over the damn thing.